In 1942, the United States found itself at war on two major fronts, Europe and the Pacific. As millions of soldiers were deployed, they faced challenges unlike anything they had ever experienced. From the mud-soaked trenches in Europe to the scorching jungles of the Pacific, American soldiers fought to liberate and protect. This photo collection captures their bravery, their resilience, and the everyday moments that made up the reality of war. Today, we take a closer look at the life of these soldiers as captured by photographers of the United States Army Signal Corps. These images are not just records of history. They are a testament to the courage and sacrifice of the men who fought during World War II. The Life of Soldiers in the Trenches, Europe, 1943. The war in Europe was brutal. Soldiers were often trapped in the mud and muck of the trenches. Day after day, they endured rain, snow, and cold. The environment was harsh, and the enemy was relentless. But amidst this chaos, soldiers found moments of rest, camaraderie, and determination. In this photo, we see a group of soldiers gathered in their trench, checking their weapons and organizing supplies. Their faces show exhaustion, but their eyes speak of resolve. The camera captures a fleeting moment of quiet before they would once again march into the battlefield. The Army Signal Corps photographers knew that these moments, often unnoticed by the soldiers themselves, were the ones that would tell the true story of their service. The soldiers here are not just warriors, they are human beings, struggling to maintain their sanity and strength in one of the harshest environments imaginable. The Battle for Normandy, D-Day, June 6, 1944. On June 6, 1944, more than 150,000 Allied soldiers landed on the beaches of Normandy. Known as D-Day, this was the beginning of the end for Nazi Germany. The assault was a massive, coordinated effort involving land, sea, and air forces. Here in this image, we see the chaos of the beach landings. The soldiers are rushing ashore, under fire, with the sound of artillery and machine gun fire filling the air. The American soldiers here are stepping onto enemy soil. Their mission clear: secure the beachhead and fight their way inland. Despite the carnage, there is no hesitation in their actions. These men knew what was at stake. Their bravery that day set the stage for the liberation of France and the eventual defeat of the Third Reich. The quiet moments between the battles. War was not always about fighting. Often it was about waiting. Soldiers would spend long stretches of time between battles, either recovering or preparing for the next fight. In this photo, we see a group of soldiers resting, sharing a rare moment of peace. One soldier is writing a letter home, a common pastime for men at war. Letters were their connection to the outside world, their only means of communication with loved ones. For many soldiers, a letter from home was a lifeline, a reminder of why they were fighting. The expression on the soldier's face as he writes tells a story of longing, of hope, and of a future that was uncertain. War took everything from these men: their homes, their families, their safety. But in these moments of peace, they clung to the one thing they had left: each other. The American soldier in the Pacific Theater,
Meanwhile, in the Pacific, the fighting was just as fierce. The Japanese Empire had already captured large portions of the Pacific, and the United States was determined to push them back. The jungles of the Pacific were dense and unforgiving, and the heat was unbearable. This photo shows American soldiers maneuvering through the thick jungle, weapons ready, always alert. They face a different kind of warfare, one that requires a different kind of courage. The enemy here was elusive, often hiding in the dense foliage, making every step a dangerous one. Despite these challenges, American soldiers in the Pacific remained relentless. They fought not just to defeat an enemy, but to reclaim territory for freedom. The resilience of these men, their perseverance in the face of adversity, was the hallmark of the Pacific War. The soldiers of the Army Air Forces. Not all soldiers fought on the ground. Some fought in the skies. The Army Air Forces played a pivotal role in World War II, bombing key enemy positions, providing air support, and carrying out reconnaissance missions. In this image, we see a group of airmen preparing for a mission. The image captures the intensity and seriousness of their work. As they suit up and board their aircraft, they know the risks they are taking. Many would never return. The airmen were part of a new kind of warfare. They were trained to drop bombs from high altitudes, striking targets with precision. Their role in the war was crucial, and they played a key part in bringing about the end of the conflict.
The Medical Corps, heroes of the battlefield. While soldiers fought, others were there to save lives. The Medical Corps was an essential part of the front lines. These brave men and women worked tirelessly to treat the wounded, often under fire. This photo shows a medic tending to a soldier who has been injured in combat. The medic's focus is unwavering as he works to stop the bleeding and stabilize the soldier. In the chaos of battle, these medics were often the difference between life and death. Their bravery was not always recognized, but they were as much a part of the war effort as the soldiers on the front lines. They fought a different kind of battle, one that was just as dangerous and just as vital. The sacrifices made by families at home. While the soldiers were on the front lines, their families were back home, supporting them in every way they could. The war affected every part of American life, and it was not just the soldiers who made sacrifices. Here, we see a photograph of a young woman working in a factory, part of the Rosie the Riveter movement. As the men went off to war, women stepped into the workforce to keep the country running. They worked in factories, shipyards, and offices, producing the materials and goods necessary for the war effort. Their role in the war was just as important as the soldiers. They kept the home front strong, enabling the military to fight abroad. These photographs are more than just images. They are glimpses into the lives of those who fought for freedom during World War II. They remind us of the sacrifices made by soldiers, by their families, and by an entire generation who gave everything to preserve peace and democracy. We owe it to them to remember their bravery, their courage, and the legacy they left behind. Through their sacrifices, we can never forget the true cost of war and the value of peace.